This looks like plastic. And this made from starch? Wow. We should get more of this kind of starch kind of plastic looking thingies. Hello beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. So this is Causebox and their summer intro box. So this is first time me getting their box, so I'm really excited about this box. So this is like the long awaited box for me. So I did order from them like really long back, but I got it recently. And before we dive in, welcome, and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. This is like really big, you guys. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. And this says, our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. Causebox, I'm really interested in this because they do bring us the ethical products and they are like fair trade certified, which means like they do provide their workers fair wage and also fair working conditions, which is like really awesome. And it's like we supporting for the good cause by bringing their products. Really awesome. And also they are like cruelty free. I'm happy to receive the product on top of it. If it's like cruelty free, it's like icing on the cake. I really love it. So without further ado, let's see what we got. So this is the packaging and the wrap that it came in. The first product that we have is this one. Set of 6 silicone stretch lids created to reduce the plastic and food waste in the kitchen. Durable, reusable and leak free. And the value of this beauty is $8. Let me see if this is like stretchable. Yeah, it is. I'm going to put this on my bottle. So that is how it looks. So yeah, it's kind of snug. It's not like there is like water in it. You see that? It still is not coming out. And next we have this one right here. So this is the Luxe jewelry box. I think you could get either this or the bent-go stackable bento box, but I'm glad that I got this because it's like I'm working from home. I don't think I would need bento box at this point of time, not right now, but I'm interested about this jewelry box. So let's see. Wow, this is like really good quality, I could already say. And the color is awesome. Wow, you guys. I thought it's going to be just plain kind of box, but it's like good kind of organizer. So it has this thing in here and your chains can go here and the rings and this like some slots, like you could put whatever you want. The value of this one is $42 and this is the minimalist design that causes minimal harm, made with 100% vegan leather. And this is the Grace and Stella hyaluronic acid serum and the value for this one is the $25. And hyaluronic acid serum, your new hydration superpower, helps moisturize and smooth fine lines, leaving skin dewy and radiant. Say hi to hydration. French pink clay sponge. So this is what we are looking at. This one is valued at $16 and this is a soft yet scrubby exfoliator that will clean out your pores. This one right here. So this one is Megan Portfolio Clutch in blush, navy or gray. You could get one of those and I got in blush. An orderly and stylish alternative to the bottomless carry-all tote. Take everything you need from 13-inch laptop, emergency coloring supplies or study supplies, and the value for this beauty is $120. And for this wrap they did include here, it says like, this is not plastic, it says biodegradable compostable made from starch. And this looks like plastic, and this made from starch. Wow, we should get more of this kind of starch kind of plastic looking thingies. This is how it looks inside. It has like kind of pockets in here to put the cards and also everything in there. Let me put this aside. And here we have like one more kind of pocket outside, and here goes the cards and the pens and all of that. So this is how it looks. And to fold this one, and I think this is where your laptop would fit in here. The hardware is like rose gold. You could use either first one or second one. So amazing. This is from Glass Ladder and Co. And I was really excited about this one. So I really love it. I could see using all of these ones. So I'm really excited about that. And let me know in the comments like how is your Causebox and what are the products that you received. Please let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for visiting my channel, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and love you guys so much. Bye.